So as many as you know, we wanted to try an experiment to see if we could set up a pit covering our bananas to see if they will survive throughout the entire winter here in Indianapolis. So for those of you that don't know, I'm in grow zone 5. It's arguable if it's 5A or 5B, depending on where you are in the city. But for me, it's time. You know, usually people, from my understanding, wait until the end of April, start of May to kind of see if it's going to work or not. But for me, I just want to know, right? It's been since October since we've cut the big plant down. And now we want to see if the roots are still going to be alive, right? So one of the ways we would know that is if we see little pups, and if the actual root is dead, it's going to be very mushy. I know that from experience. So let's go ahead and take this down here and see what we get. And the reason why I want to do that is I want to start to get the bananas up and moving, to be quite honest with you. I love banana plants, and you know, it's been a while since I've done anything with them, and I'm just kind of anxious to see where we are as well. Okay, so let's set this up in a way to where we can easily just knock this whole thing over, move everything out of the way. Can use these things for something else. So either way it goes, it's gonna tell us if this experiment has worked, or if I have to make adjustments, maybe even, you know, putting more leaves or stuffing a little bit harder. But we're about to see. So I got my fork here. I'm gonna start there. I'm gonna just push it all over, okay? Being very careful. You see we got grass underneath. We got some wood mulch up in here as well. I honestly didn't remember that I had all of this packed under here like this, so I'm gonna take this and just kind of lightly move some of this out of the way. I don't want to tear anything up. So I don't see any pups here. I don't know if that's good or bad, but I can see where I made cuts at last, or what was it, in October. So I'm not really sure if it made it or not, but let's go ahead and do a little bit of digging and see. I'll tell you what, if the plants did not make it, we know what happened. We know it was because of that 3-week span we had of that brutal weather that we had, where it was negative for a very long time. So I'm just trying to figure out where exactly I need to kind of start to dig. So maybe I'll start here. Just start to slowly see if I see any roots in here. So again, I want to be very careful. There's a lot of water in there. It's been doing a lot of raining. So I'm just carefully taking all of this out. See if we can get this thing to lift a little bit. So I don't know if this is good or bad, but there's a lot of water sitting here at the bottom. Slowly working my way around. Well, I hear some roots moving. So that may or may not be good, I don't know. A lot of mud here. Now, if this does work, I'll say this. We got a new way to store them, because once they get really big and setting them in the garage can be pretty tedious, especially when they don't fit. So, let's see. All right, we're getting a little movement there. So that's good. Okay. Looks like we got one. A lot of mud on it. I mean, the roots look to be okay. So let's go ahead and get a little muddy, I guess. So this is one here. The roots look to still be alive, honestly. Huh. So the ball here is still hard. It's not mushy. So that tells me that this worked. Wow. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is take this and we're gonna pot it. We're gonna pot it after we let it sit for about 24 hours. And wow, that one survived. Now there's actually a second one over here. Actually look, there's a pup growing right here. Don't know if you can see. I'll move this over. But there's a pup growing right here. Don't know if that is still alive or not. But let's go ahead and check that one out. So again, in the middle here, if this was soft and mushy, we would know that it didn't make it. But I'll bring this over towards you so you can take a good look at it. So you can see the core here is hard. It's not mushy. So that tells us that that one's alive. Now let's try to work on this second one here, because I put 2 of them here last year. I can see a pup growing off of that plant, but I'm not sure if that particular pup made it or not, but we'll see just a second here. This one definitely was a lot heavier than the other one. Move this one out of the way. This one's got a lot of mud around it, which makes it a lot heavier. There we go. All right. The moment of truth. Let's see if it made it as well. Get some of this mud from around here. See if it made it. The roots seem to be intact. A little bit colder down here on this one though. Let's see. Yeah, this one, it's got these thick roots. Roots seem to be okay. I'm trying to get to the ball. It's a little, seems a little frozen underneath. So this one here, not quite sure, but we'll have to move some of this mud out of the way. All right, so the ball I can feel here seems to be hard. So I think this one made it too. Wow. Okay. So it looks like that, I'm not gonna say theory, that that process actually worked for me. I want to get a little bit closer to the ball, but I can feel that it's hard to remove some of this mud here. But yeah, look, we're looking pretty good to get some of this mud out of the way. But yeah, we made it, guys. I can feel how hard the core is at the bottom. We made it. So hopefully in the next couple of weeks, we'll see some pups starting to pop out. We're gonna get them in some pots, and we're ready to roll. Thanks for tuning in. We're out. Peace.